bush beans or pole beans. I grew bush beans last year. I am curious if I should try different variety or go to pole beans this year.
I would still grow bush beans, but I would try pole beans, and I would do both. If you like the type of bush beans you grew, I would stick with those. You could try a different variety if you want, but I would stick with the bush beans that you already had success with. And then if you want to try something new, I would grow some pole beans. I would get Blue Lake, because Blue Lake are like the
go-to,
the foolproof go-to. And try that variety. You might find them easier to grow, easier to harvest. You might find that to me, I can't tell a difference in taste, but maybe you can.
It all depends on when you harvest it. Now, the key to bush beans is bush beans will take 40 to 60 days to reach a harvesting state. And I was always taught that they would produce for about 4 weeks and then shut down. What we learned years ago was if you continue to harvest them on a regular basis and not let the pods get over big and the beans in the pod get oversized, they will produce up till frost. Pole beans, on the other hand, they're easier to harvest because they're elevated either on a string or a fence or some type of elevation mechanism in which they can climb up. They'll take 70 to 80 days to reach maturity. And again, you can harvest them all the way up to frost. In pole beans, you're only going to get green pod beans. In bush beans, you have a choice. You have the green pod beans, you have a burgundy or purple bean. That bean, when cooked, that pigmentation reverts back to a green bean. So if you're trying to can purple beans, that doesn't work. It's not a genetic modification. It's just the way the plant works. Or you have yellow pod beans, which that yellow pigmentation stays throughout the harvesting, cooking, canning, eating process. So keep that in mind.